Hello guys, hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves, and I also help students preparing for FR and CFA exam to clear their exam in the first attempt. Now this short video is for those friends of mine who are working in public sector banks like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, and they wish to do FRM, okay, to enhance their career, to enhance their CV, and even to change their field. Okay. Now for them, if you are planning to go for FRM, you have to focus, you have to remember these 3 pointers first. Okay. The first and very important point is that since you're working in a banking side, right now in the past few years, we have realized that the number of working hours for bank has slightly increased. That means the time commitment for an employee has increased. So definitely there will be a time crunch for you, okay, because you also have to complete your work, then you have to go towards your family, your other commitments. You have to work on Saturdays also, the first and third Saturday. So the first challenge that you might face is this. The second challenge that a lot of students from the public sector bank face, because they try to compare the FRM exam with other IIBF exams. IIBF also conduct exams for CIIB, JIIB and other diploma in risk management, but the difficulty level of FRM is slightly higher. So the way you have prepared for the other IIBF exams, you cannot do the same level of preparation for FRM. You have to be slightly exhaustive. Okay, the exam questions are also going to be slightly tricky. The content is also going to be slightly tricky. So you cannot compare the two sets of exam. The third challenge which a lot of the students from the banking sector face is that they are working commercial banking, the traditional banking. Okay, but the content related to FRM is slightly related to investment banking. Okay, so you might face something which is extra in terms of content, so you'll have to prepare properly. Okay, now these are the major challenges that you would face, but how do you tackle that? Okay, first and foremost, okay, you will have to take out time. I know it might not be possible for you to dedicate every single day a certain amount of time, but please understand, if you do not break this loop, okay, now what is this loop? Since you do not have time, you cannot prepare for an exam, and since you cannot prepare for the exam, you cannot go to any other team or cannot go to any other company. Okay, so it creates a loop. You're in the loop and you are not able to break the loop. If you want to see a change in your career, then definitely you will have to make a shift in the way you are behaving or the way you are approaching a problem. Okay, so time management has to be there. Daily basis, at least 1 hour should be dedicated. Okay, if it is not feasible for a daily basis, then once in 2 days or 3 days you will have to be sitting for the exam. Second way that can help you to clear the exam is that which I think so a lot of working professionals face problem with is solving of the content. Okay, when you read the content, when you watch the videos, read the content, you definitely understand things, but till the time you solve the question bank, you will not be confident. So practice and practice, and especially practicing of question bank should ideally start around 3 months or 4 months before the exam, not very early, because that is not going to help you for the exam preparation. Okay, now the third way to tackle this exam way is that read the textbook twice or thrice. Okay, you must have completed a content, but definitely read the textbook again and again so that you will get hang of the content. Okay, the fourth and very important way you can tackle the exam is to have a very structured plan. Okay, that means you should have a clear-cut plan in terms of how you're going to tackle the entire 60 chapters for level 1, and for level 2 it's going to be around 100 chapters. So you should have a clear-cut plan when you will start the preparation, till when you're going to be completing it, when you will start the question bank solving. You have to dedicate time for that. Also, how will you utilize your Saturdays and Sundays? Okay, if you want to have such kind of structured plan, it is also being created by me, so I will share that with you. Just drop me a WhatsApp on the below mentioned number in the description, and I'll be able to share that with you. Now this video was primarily to help those students who are aspiring to do things differently while working in a PSU bank, and definitely these are the challenges that they mostly face, and I've tried to give them some pointers to tackle those challenges. Okay, so if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, we'll be coming up with more such exciting content for the exam, okay, regarding your queries, regarding the preparation. So do subscribe to our channel so that you will come to know when and where this content is getting uploaded. So thank you very much for watching the video.